What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KSH/the Movie Boy. Welcome to another episode of Curiosity. Today we're going to talk about bacteria. Yeah, that reminds me of some show like I'm using one something. Yeah, whatever. Right? Bacteria. So like, if you enjoy like this type of content, this nerdy, sciencey content, like hit a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe and hit the notification button. You get, come on, let's go. Like again, when you talk with someone, you have to meet acquaintances first, because like talking to a stranger is not safe. Stranger danger. So before we go any further, you have to know first, what is bacteria? So let's get it.
What is bacteria? Bacteria are prokaryotic microorganisms, meaning they lack a nucleus and membrane-bound organelles. They range from 0.2 to 10 micrometers in size. Their cell structure is relatively simple but highly efficient, typically consisting of cell wall, made of peptidoglycan in most species, plasma membrane, cytoplasm, where metabolic processes occur, genetic material, usually a single circular chromosome, ribosomes for protein synthesis, optional flagella for movement, or pili for attachment and DNA transfer. Bacteria are found in nearly every habitat on Earth, including extreme environments, hot springs, deep-sea vents, radioactive waste, inside living organisms, on surfaces and in the atmosphere.
Like, we all know that science doesn't create, but it discovers. So like, first things first, let's dwell deep in the discovery of bacteria.
Bacteria discovery. Antony van Leeuwenhoek, 1676, first observed bacteria using a single lens microscope. He reported seeing animalcules in pond water, plaque from his teeth, and other substances. The term bacterium comes from the Greek word bacterion, meaning small staff, referencing their rod-like shape. Louis Pasteur, mid-1800s, confirmed the role of bacteria in fermentation and disease. Robert Koch established techniques to isolate and grow pure bacterial cultures and proved that specific bacteria cause specific diseases, e.g., Bacillus anthracis causes anthrax.
As mammals, we all know how we made through the process of ziggy high. So like, do we know how bacteria is made? If you don't know, it's time to know. So let's find out.
How is bacteria made, reproduced? Binary fission is the primary method of reproduction. In this process, 1. The bacterial DNA replicates. 2. The cell elongates and divides into 2 identical daughter cells. Under optimal conditions, a single bacterium can become millions in hours. Some bacteria form endospores, highly resistant structures that can survive extreme heat, radiation, and chemicals for long periods. Genetic variation in bacteria comes from mutation, random DNA changes, conjugation, transfer of plasmids, transformation, uptake of DNA from the environment, transduction, transfer via viruses called bacteriophages.
We know there's black, we know there's white, you know, like there's these other things. I like, did you know that there are different types of bacteria? No, you didn't? Then it's time to know. Let's get it.
Different types of bacteria. By shape, coxy, spherical, e.g. Staphylococcus aureus, bacilli, rod-shaped, e.g. Escherichia coli. Spirilla, spiral, e.g. Helicobacter pylori. Vibrio, comma-shaped, e.g. Vibrio cholerae. By cell wall composition. Gram-positive, thick peptidoglycan wall, stain purple, e.g. Streptococcus. Gram-negative, thin wall plus outer membrane, stain pink, E. coli. By oxygen use, aerobic, require oxygen, anaerobic, do not need oxygen. Facultative anaerobes can survive with or without oxygen. By role, pathogenic, cause disease, e.g. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Commensal, neutral, live on us without harm. Mutualistic, beneficial, e.g. gut bacteria like Bifidobacterium.
Some might argue that I'm fast or strong, or maybe like argue that you fast or strong, but like, do they truly know your capabilities? Do we even know the capabilities of bacteria? If you don't know, it's time that you know.
Bacteria capabilities, decomposition, break down organic matter in ecosystems. Nitrogen fixation, convert atmospheric nitrogen into usable forms for plants, rhizobium in legumes. Fermentation, used in making yogurt, cheese, beer, vinegar. Biotechnology, engineered bacteria can produce insulin, antibiotics, vaccines, and biofuels. Bioremediation, bacteria like Pseudomonas clean up oil spills and toxic waste. Biofilm formation, communities of bacteria stick to surfaces, like in dental plaque, and can resist antibiotics.
As children of GOD, as human beings, I know that each and every person has a purpose in life. But like, do we know the purpose of bacteria? Does it even have a purpose? I guess it's time to find out. Let's go.
Purpose of bacteria. Bacteria are essential to ecosystem balance, cycle carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. Human health. Gut microbiota help digest food, synthesize vitamins like K and B12, and protect against harmful microbes. Industrial processes, used in sewage treatment, food production, and biotechnology. Global oxygen. While not bacteria, cyanobacteria, once grouped with algae, perform photosynthesis and contributed to the oxygenation of Earth's atmosphere billions of years ago.
Yeah, like we've reached the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you liked. I hope you subscribe, and most importantly, like you've hit the notification button for a reminder for the upcoming videos you get. As I venture out to check like how many bacteria are living on this pile of them. Bye.